Hey guys, it's Shubham here, back with another video. So today I'm gonna do benchmark test and let's see how well this Poco X2 can perform. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with Antutu benchmark. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So I already did the test and it scored around 27,000. So let's see how well it can perform after I put refresh rate at 120 Hz. So as you can see, it scored around 27,000, which is really good for this price point. It's pretty close to the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So yeah, let's see what else we can do. See, it has Snap SM7150, which is basically Snapdragon 730G. Also the screen density is 395 dpi, which is also, to compare with other smartphones, this 395 dpi is not best, I would say. Also we have every major sensor. So let's see how much score we can do with the Poco X2 on the Geekbench. So I'm gonna put this on time lapse. As you can see, it scored around 545 on the single core and 1694 on the multi-score. Let's compare this with the Redmi Note 5. 2 times better than the last year's Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is really incredible, I would say. So let's see what else we can do on this device. Let's check out another app. Okay, so let's check out the DRM info. So the DRM info shows the L1 certificate, so you can watch your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime series on full HD without any problem. So that's pretty cool. Now let's do the touch test. Let's see how many touch this screen support. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So this device supports the 10 fingers while using it. That's pretty cool, I would say. Also the temperature is not that high. It's on the 34 degrees and the CPU is also on 34 degrees Celsius, which is not that hot. But because of the glass, I can feel on my hand, as you can see. So let's compare the benchmark with other smartphones. So as you can see, my device is on the 36 rank, which is pretty good, which is better than the Mi Mix 2. Wow, that's pretty good. Also the Mi Note 10, which is released on this December, which also has the same CPU. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'm gonna do more comparison tomorrow, so hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.